So hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I am going to solve a basic Python problem which is like this. Let's start. The problem statement is write a Python program to print the characters at the odd position of a given string. That we have given a string and we have to print the character which exists at the odd position of the string. So the explanation is something like that. All the characters including white space at the odd position of the string, hey there, the string is given as hey there, are printed. That means we have to include these white spaces. If it lies on the odd position, we have to also print this. So there is an input and this is hey there, and the output should be like this. So I will be taking first a string input. So str1 is equals to our, let's suppose I will be taking this as hey there. This is our input and I will be printing this to a result. I'll be creating a result string which includes all the result parts, all the characters, odd characters, and I will be printing this result first. Now before we printing this result, we have to add some data to it. So to add this, I will be using a for loop with enumerate function that gives us index and value. Enumerate str1. That means we are using this enumerate function. This enumerate function takes always returns a iterable and a value, that means the iterable, that means the index, and the value, that means the value of the index, that means it will return 0 and 1. If I print simply if I print I and v both, and this will not return anything, then you will be getting like this. It will give h0, that means index of the h, and value of the h, that means 0 h 1 e 2 y 3 3. There is on 3 there is no, that is a white space, so it will be returning a white space, and basically it will return the index and the value of the any iterable. You can apply enumerate function on the list or a string or a dictionary, etc. You can use it on any iterable. So I will be using this enumerate function, so we don't have to do this now. So I will be printing first result. Now if I divided by 2 not is equals to 0, that means if we divide this index with 2 and the remainder is not 0, then we get the odd index. So we will be getting odd index. Then I will be adding this value. If the index is not even, that means if the index is not even, then I will be appending that value to this result. Okay, and finally I will be printing this result value. So this will give the output like this. So let's run this program and we got our output. So in this way you can solve this question. So if you got this informative, like the video, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I will be meeting you in very next video.